Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with another summer outfits, but this is like for significantly hot weather, okay? We're talking 100 and up, okay? So let's do it. So I'm officially back in Texas and I wanted to share with you actually two of these outfits I've already previously worn. And then the other ones are just like ideas that I know I want to wear next time we have something to do. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump in. So they're gonna be, like you guys know, casual, comfortable, but more geared towards hot weather, because my previous ones, I think I was able to play around more with layers because I was in Illinois where like max it gets to like 90, you know what I mean? So we've got some more hot weather appropriate, and I want to kind of share with you why I picked these outfits and the fabrics and whatnot to make sure that I'm not sweating. So let's jump into look number one. I'm gonna throw on some denim shorts and a little white tank, and we'll get into accessorizing. So if you guys didn't see my denim short video, I will throw it up in the cards about how to elevate denim shorts. I did a variation of this outfit, which is pairing it with a kind of classic neckline tank to elevate denim shorts. So this is gonna give a more elevated look to the denim shorts than just like a racerback tank or something like that. I love the neckline on this. And I have my little Abercrombie dad shorts on. You guys, I've been getting so much tanner just being here. Not even like trying to tan, but just walking. I'm back on my walking game, which I have been loving. And if you're in the market for a good new podcast, Something Was Wrong, season 10, it's like little short clips and it's so good. I liked all the seasons until I don't remember when I stopped. Like the first couple I really loved, and then I didn't love them for a little while. And then season 10 is like little short stories, like dating nightmares, friendship nightmares. It's kind of interesting, but anyway, love this look. These shorts are like everything, but this is the base. Obviously denim shorts are a classic in the summer when it's super hot. To kind of spice up the outfit a little bit, I'm gonna throw in a fun pair of sneakers. So I'm gonna go in with my Spezials. I really want to order the darker laces for this, but for now I think for this outfit it works. So I'm gonna throw these on, and that will kind of just add a little bit of interest to the outfit. Those are on. So this is gonna be like a colorful, fun outfit, not super like elevated, but just interesting looking. Okay, so we got these on. I feel like I still haven't mastered my setup. I feel like this is just like very in my way, but bear with me, okay? Okay, so jeans, denim shorts, whatnot. Now I'm gonna pair it with a bright sweater. Now I know you're like, girl, but hear me out. When you live in a place where it's constantly 100 degrees, every place you go into has AC where it's like 65. So it's cold. So whether you want to throw this on while you're grocery shopping, at a restaurant, whatever, but for the time being, I'm just going to throw it over my shoulders. So cute. Love this. Okay, and then let's accessorize with a pair of sunglasses, and big shout out to Van Linker for partnering with me on today's video to talk to you guys about their sunglasses. I've worked with them in the past, and I've actually purchased, I didn't even realize that these two I've already had in my collection for a while. Like I didn't even realize these were Van Linkers until I pulled them out of my collection. They make really affordable glasses on Amazon that are high quality, and honestly, like I love them more than, I don't know. I was talking to a friend at the pool last weekend, or this past weekend, and we were talking about just like how we're overspending a ridiculous amount on like Ray-Bans or whatever, and them like not holding up. So like I don't know, I used to have a polarized pair from Ray-Ban, and they like started like peeling at the sides. Like it was horrible. So I've really just stuck with high quality sunglasses from Amazon, and they are part of Prime Day, so I wanted to talk to you guys about them. If you are building your Prime Day list, I would definitely suggest adding Van Linker to your Prime Day deal list, if you will. I know I'm gonna look and browse and grab another pair. My favorite pair I have in my car right now from them. It's the cutest style. I will throw it up on the screen. I'm obsessed with it, but they're my like everyday sunglasses, so they're living in my car. But these I thought would be fun for this outfit. whenever I wear these glasses, everyone's just like, those give you like really cool girl vibes. I'm like, you know what? I like that. So love the blue lenses on this. I think this is like a very colorful, fun outfit. Perfect for the Dallas heat. Absolutely love. But if you're not interested in like the fun, funky glasses, they have so many fun, like classic. This would be another like super classic look with the cat eye, but it's small. It's not like your whole face, which I kind of love small glasses. They give, I don't know, just like high fashion, super chic, really cute. So they have very classic styles like this. They have so many to choose from. I will have a link to them down below in my description box. But these are my like 4 current favorite pairs, besides the ones that I said wear my car. So if you're not the blue lens kind of girl, they make dark lens as well, but these sort of like bridged frames like this are super popular. And then I also have the tortoise shell of the black ones, which are really cute. But like I said, for this, I'm gonna go with the blue lenses. So cute. So if you are in the market for some fun sunglasses, I think they elevate any outfit. I would definitely check out Van Linker. Like I said, they are on Amazon and they are part of Prime Day sales, which starts tomorrow, the 16th and the 17th. So I will have all the details in the description box down below. A big shout out to Van Linker again for partnering with me on today's video and providing all the cute sunglasses. So this was look number 1. Okay, so look number 1 was a fun one. Look number 2 I've already worn, and it's more of like a classic kind of look. So let's throw that on. So I'm gonna throw on this little blue checkered button-up from Zara. I love the color blue of this, like a royally sort of blue, and I'm going to throw on some white trouser linen shorts. I finally fell back in love with my trouser shorts. I feel like I wasn't wearing them a ton, but we're going to throw those on and we will accessorize. I feel like I have this like list on my phone that I'm like, I should tackle today, you know, of like shit I should do, but shit I don't want to do kind of list. Like just easy things, but annoying, boring thing. Going to get my car inspected and then registering that, which I have like, I don't know, until the end of the month to do, but I just would rather get it done with. I need to switch over all my bank account information to like my home address is Dallas, and then I don't know, there's just like a bunch of other things. Finding like a steady doctor here and all that kind of stuff that I just like really can't be bothered to do, but need to do. So we went and visited our friends in Fate, which they live in, like, if you're familiar with, like, I'm sure a lot of places have this. I just didn't grow up in a place that had this. Like those sort of complexes where they all look the same. Like you can build your house, but it's like through the builder, the specific builder. It's like giant compounds, basically, is what it reminds me of. And like, obviously you can customize it, and the allure is like everyone has children and it's really cool, and the houses are actually really beautiful, especially like if you do your own thing to them. They're cute, but from the outside they all look identical. It's a little like, I don't know, weird for me, but I love the allure of it because like they have young kids and they can just like ride around and just like, I don't know, you don't have to be worried about it like the city, you know what I mean? And there's space for everything and everyone has kids, except for their neighbors have like 10 kids and they're pregnant with their other one, and it's giving why can I not think of the name? I was trying to talk to her about it and she knew too. That like horror story of whatever. But she was like, yeah, there's actually quite a few families that have more than 10 people. And I'm like, ooh, bless their hearts, I could never. But anyway, most of the time I'm like, ew, no, I don't want that. Like and I don't mean to offend anybody, it's just not how I grew up, and just, I don't know, I like the idea of like uniqueness, but every time I go there, I'm like, wow, that's actually really nice. But I don't know, it feels like you're in like a augmented reality of like, I don't know how to explain it, but I get that allure, and every time I'm like, oh, that's cool. But dude, you guys, the house prices, like when they bought, were like really, they've doubled in price over the past 3 years-ish, which is pretty crazy. But I mean, everything kind of has around here, which is nuts. I think everything has around like every place. But anyway, which is good if you own a house and you plan to sell it, but not good if you own a house and want to keep it and buy a new house like we want to do. The struggles. Anyway, let's go ahead and throw on this black belt. I threw on my little espadrilles, and I wanted to tie black because typically I would wear brown with this, but I wanted to tie in this black. I actually don't know if this belt, oh yeah, it does. It gets small enough for this. I wore this with brown last time, but now I'm pairing it with black, so I figured I would add these. I could add some black sandals too, but I kind of like this look. So this is the look. I love this. Cute. Love this blue checkered button up. I actually want to go and find more button ups. I mean, I have 2 button up outfits. You guys know I'm obsessed with button ups, but button downs, whatever. I liked this. I left it like, I left the back untucked. And is it just me? I need your opinion. Is my hair looking insanely longer, or is it just like all of my brain? I think also curling it like this, I don't know. I'm like, wow, it's grown. If I can get down here, I'll be like, I'm ready for long hair again, but I'm liking this. And I'm also liking the way I have it styled, so anyway, not to just be like, I like it. I do. Then let's throw on these little black band linkers, just the classic. Yes. It's giving cute. I feel like if you worked in a very casual office, this could work. It depends. I don't know. I haven't been in an office in a hot minute, but I hate to admit this, but part of me loves the drama. I still will look up my past company that I used to work for. They owned apartment complexes. I was a property manager. I will still look up the reviews because I'm just like, I still get nightmares thinking about working there. So I'll still look at the reviews and be like, is everything okay there? Or is there still so much drama? Because there has to be drama because the whole thing was fed on drama. It gives me heart palpitations. I still think I have trauma from that. Anyway, all right, outfit number 2. Let's move on to look number 3. Look number 3, I actually wore this out to dinner this past Friday when we went to Petra and the Beast, which is still one of my favorite restaurants here in Dallas. Probably, I think of all time. Anyway, okay, so let's pop that on. I wore a light denim button up and a little white skirt. So let's throw that on and I will show you how I accessorize and put it together. I also don't really need to go anywhere for lunch because I have so much food. But the way I'm craving kava, I haven't had kava since before we moved, and it's like just so good to me. So I'm kind of really craving kava for lunch. So I bought this little skirt when we went out in the city with Milani and her sister, but I never ended up wearing this one. And I just have never been a skirt girl. This is a medium. It's like absolutely huge. But I honestly love this skirt so much. I'm so happy that I bought it. It's just very large, but I could wear it low rise. I mean, I'm not a low rise girl. I could wear it low rise. But it's cute. It's double line, but it looks like linen, but it's not. Okay. So for this, if you have like an oversized top and you don't want it to look just like this, I take the little corner and tuck it into the side of my skirt, just the corner, and kind of like flop it out. And it honestly stays. Like it does, you wouldn't think it stays, but it stays. So just tuck that in and let this out, and yeah, that's how I styled it, like more buttoned up towards the top. And then for shoes, I went with my little sparkly flats, which I thought just added a little something to the outfit in a cute, like dainty way on the bottom, you know what I mean? Because this is like oversized masculine, dainty feminine. So I love these shoes. I wear these way more than I ever thought I would. I was wearing them when I ran some errands. I ran to Trader Joe's, but I had to let a lady in because she was doing delivery service for flowers here, and she didn't have the code, so I let her in, and she was like, your outfit is so cute, and I was like, thank you. And then the lady at Trader Joe's said it too, and I was like, thank you. And I was just wearing denim shorts, a white button up, these shoes, and a red belt, but it was cute. It hit. I was happy. You know when you think an outfit's good, but then you get that like that confirmation from strangers, and you're like, you don't know how much you made my day. Anyway, this is what I wore to dinner the other night. I didn't wear sunglasses, but if I would, these would be cute because they kind of tie in the blue. And I wore my blue bag, which is downstairs, and I'm not going to get it because Scott is making eggs. So this is what I wore, and I thought it turned out super duper cute. I liked it. Little change up from like shorts with the skirt and the fun flats. So let's move on to my final outfit. My last and final outfit, I actually just got in the mail and I'm really excited to style it. Slash, I haven't even tried it on. I just steamed it, but it's like a full linen set. I don't know if it's full linen, but it's cotton. It's a full cotton set. Let's see what the actual makeup is. Yeah, it's just 100% cotton. So it's not linen, but it looks linen-esque, but I figured it'd be light and airy for the hot heat. So let's put on that linen set. It's lined, but only on the top, which I don't hate, because I'm happy that it's lined, but also like it kind of just like cuts me off here. I don't know how I feel about that. We're gonna have to see, but I like the gaucho-y-ness and the giant cuff at the bottom. I think is really cute. So let's put on the top. I like the top a lot. I honestly am thinking about cutting out the shorts. Is that weird? I just feel like they look strange. It looks like I'm wearing shorts underneath it, which I don't know if I love that look. Not gonna lie. But I like this together, it's cute. Okay, so I was thinking of just doing a super simple sandal with these. The less is more kind of thing. But this necklace, which I've seen all over this, I think her name is Chelsea Park. I think she has a clothing like line as well, but she always wears this chunky pearl thing, and I'm always like, can I pull that off, or am I gonna give Wilma Flintstone? Wilma? Is it Wilma? I think. But it's kind of those like oblong sort of necklace, and it has this little gold, which I think is kind of cute. I just don't know if it like is giving, oh, it also kind of falls behind here. It's not adjustable, it's like a choker kind of thing. Okay, and then my little butter yellow bag. Okay, this is cute. She's cute. I think I am gonna cut the shorts out of this. It's giving me weird. It's giving weird. Okay, and then I would do the brown to tie in the sandals. But I love this little bag. It's so cute. It also comes with like a strap that I did not take out yet, but cute. What do we think? I like this necklace. I like this set. I just think the shorts, I think I'm gonna get rid of the shorts. I know what they did here, but they should have either fully lined the entire pant or just omitted it completely. I get that they didn't want it to be see-through, but this is a really cute linen set. Throw and go, not linen. Cotton set, super breathable. I love this top, honestly. I just have like a little Skims bralette underneath it. This would be cute with denim, anything, but I love. Okay, that was look number 4. And that is going to complete my little summer hot weather outfits. Big shout out again to Van Linker for partnering with me on today's video to tell you guys all about their amazing Prime Day sales that they're gonna have. So I'll have everything in the description box down below. I would definitely suggest either adding like your next staple pair or a fun pair to kind of spice up any outfit. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. As always, let me know what your favorite outfit was down below. Bye!